They had the misfortune to be doing ordinary things like sitting in a coffee shop or something, and somebody decided to put on a suicide vest or to blow up a bus or whatever, and they did. I felt, and I feel that it's important to focus our sympathy and our compassion on the victims of terrorism and to spend a little bit less time obsessing about people who perpetrate these acts. This was a young woman who I believe was at a bus stop outside of a hospital, and that's probably what saved her life. But she's a college-age student, and she was waiting to get on a bus, or she was getting onto the bus, when a terrorist walked up to her, and there was apparently a watch in his bomb, or else the watch was on his hand and came off. Anyway, it cut into her carotid artery that carries blood to the brain. All these little marks that you see here, this is just a reversal. Those things are shrapnel. They're little pieces probably from a hardware store, just cheap, easy to acquire objects that people use to pack into these bombs so they blast into other people. I fully understand that people are going to fight forever about whatever, border disputes or many different things. But I noticed today when I turned on the computer, 8 people were arrested in Denmark for having explosives and plans or something. Then there was a terror attack in, I think, Pakistan, 25 dead. This morning when I looked on CNN. It's everywhere. It's such a successful technique that is being used in many different places for many different reasons. And what I would like to do is pull the rug out from under that technique.